Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain chapter 16 of EVS subject of first class. The name of the chapter is Air Around Us. All of you know what is air. All of you know what is air. Without air we can't breathe in the atmosphere. And air is all around us. Air is all around us. When you see everywhere, air will be. When you see everywhere, air will be. And we cannot live without air. We cannot see air, but it will present everywhere. We cannot see air, but it will present everywhere. Only we feel air. If you are watching movie and on your fan, then air you feel. When you are going outside, when in the car, then air you will feel. When you are in front of your cooler, then you will feel air. When you are in wind, then you will feel air. In this way you feel air at everywhere. Now I want to know that what does the air do? What does the air do? Air fills the space. Air fills the space. Air matters space, because if we blow a balloon, balloon become bigger. Why it is bigger? Because we fill air in it. That's why it become bigger. Now I want to tell you about some uses of air. What are the uses of air? We need air to breathe. We need air to smell things. We need air to plants need air to grow, and we need air to fill the football, to a plastic bathtub, to our plastic tubes, to our car tire, to our bicycle tires, to our bike tires. In every tire we want air to be filled. Okay. Now we will talk about wind. What is wind? Moving air very quickly, moving air very fastly is called wind. Have you ever feel wind? Have you ever feel wind outside your home? Very quickly running air we call wind. Wind is also used to move many things, just like windmill, sailboat, paraglider. On hilly areas, if wind is not there, we can't use paraglider. For paragliding. Now, when wind moves strong, wind moves very fast, then we call it storm, means तूफान. तूफान आपने सुना होगा न्यूज़ में कि यहाँ तूफान आ गया, वहाँ तूफान आ गया. What is तूफान? When wind means moving air, fastly moving air moves more fastly, then it is called storm. But nowadays our air gets polluted because of factories, industries, vehicles, and many other things that we are polluting. The air with smoke, with germs. So whenever we breathe in dirty air, we get ill. That air is not healthy for our body. That air is not healthy for our breathing and not for our body. We become ill. So we have to use face mask to cover our face for going outside. Now I will tell you about fresh and clean air. What is fresh and clean air? Fresh and clean air are those air in which we can breathe properly, in which we can breathe healthy and properly. And how do we clean the air? By growing the more and more plants and trees. If we grow more plants and trees, then our gets become clean. Then our gets become clean. So we should grow and plant more and more trees. Read the chapter properly, then you will understand the concept of air more. Thank you, students.